we'll start with the new chapter, chapter 1, the skeletal system. Now, what is skeletal system? The system which supports the framework of bones in our body and gives it a particular and definite shape is known as skeletal system. Now, what is there inside our body? Bones. And what it does? It helps us to stand, it helps us to walk, it helps us to sit and to lift objects. So, the bones, the framework of bones in our body is known as skeleton. And the system which supports the framework of bones in our body is known as skeletal system. Now, in our body, how many bones are there? 206 bones. And the human skeleton, it consists of, first is skull, your head. Skull is actually the bone which is present, which covers your brain. And the face and the bones which are present on our face, all this makes the skull. Then backbone, the bone which is present at the backside of our body. And rib cage, the bones that covers our heart, our lungs. The chest region. Then forelimbs, forelimbs are your hands. Then lower limbs are your legs. The last one is girdles, and there are two types of girdles that are present in our body. One is shoulder girdle and the second one is hip girdle. Students, now comes bone. You know that your body, inside your body, there are 206 bones, but do you know that these bones, they are made up of minerals, which are calcium and phosphorus. And because of these two minerals, our bone is strong. They are hard in structure. Then comes types of bones. Now there are many different types of bones are present in our body. Some bones are long, some are short, some are flat, and some are irregular in shape. Now let us see what are they. Long bones. Now long bones like thigh bone, they are also known as femur. They are considered to be the longest bone in our body. Then comes short bones. Now the wrist bones, the bones that are present in our wrist, these are the short bones. And the wrist bones, they are also known as carpal bones. Then comes flat bones. Flat bones means they are flat in structure. Now the chest bones, the bone that is present in the middle of the chest, it is also known as sternum. It is a flat bone. Then comes irregular bones, bones that are not regular in shape, they are irregular. And the backbone, which is also known as vertebral column or spine, they have irregular bones. Now there is an interesting fact. The smallest bone which is present in our body is stirrup. And stirrup is present in the ears. Now comes skull. Skull, it is a hollow round structure present in the head. And it is made up of 22 bones. Now out of 22 bones, 8 bones they make up skull. And other 14 bones, they make up the face. Then comes functions. Now what is the function of skull? Skull, first it covers and protects the brain. So our brain, it is well protected by skull. Now comes, it gives shape to the face. So it supports the teeth also that are present in our upper and lower jaw. Now comes backbone. Backbone is also known as vertebral column or spine. Now this backbone, it is present on the extreme back of our body. And the skull, our skull is attached to the backbone. And this backbone, it is made up of how many bones? 33 bones. And these are made up of 33 irregular bones. Then function. The function of the backbone is it encloses and protects the delicate spinal cord. Now what is spinal cord? Spinal cord is actually a cord which is responsible for transfer of information from brain to all the other parts of the body. Rib cage. Now what is rib cage? Rib cage is a bony cage present in the chest region is called rib cage. Now it is made up of 12 pairs of thin curved, you can see this thin and curved bones, and there are 12. Count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and these two bones 11, 12. These are the floating ribs. Why they are called floating? Because they are not attached to the sternum. Here you can see here these two bones, they are not attached to the sternum, so that's why they are called floating ribs. And out of these 12 ribs, right from 1 to 7 ribs, they are called true ribs. Then 8, 9, 10, these ribs are known as false ribs. This is backbone, and this the flat bone which is present at the chest region is known as sternum. What is it called? Sternum. Now what is the function of the rib cage? This rib cage, it protects the delicate organs such as lungs and heart.